Hello all, welcome to VLSI Academy Python lecture series 3. Today we'll study about string. String is a data type in Python. We'll study the basic operations on string now. Let us consider one string variable named var1 with the value welcome to VLSI Academy. Now let's say we have to split our variable 1. So we'll use split function to split. Here by default the variable will get splitted from the spaces. Now let's print the output to see how it gets splitted. Now it is no longer a string but a list separated with commas. Let's say we have to take out the first two elements of the splitted string. In Python, like any other language, elements in list are indexed and indexing starts from 0. So we can take out any elements from the string using the index. Now let's extract the first two elements of the string here. To extract the element from the list, we will need to declare three things: the start, the end, and the step. These are defined inside the square brackets. The colon separate these three declarations. The start index is left empty here and by default 0 will be taken. The end is declared as 2, which is exclusive. The step declaration is left empty but can be defined if need be. Hence the first two elements is extracted here. Now let's join the two elements of the list to string. The join method takes all items declared inside the square braces and joins them to a string. Here, before join, a string has to be defined as a separator, which in our case is a space. We have defined that the elements to be joined are first and second. Here, the two elements of the list becomes a string. Now let's join two strings. Let's declare one more string variable var4 as Python bootcamp. Now we will use addition to join var3 and var4. The two strings are joined here and you can see that there was a space given in the start of the var4 string. Else you would have to add an additional space as a string. Now let's say we have to change the case of the string. We use upper method to make all the alphabets in the string as uppercase. Similarly, to make all the alphabets in the string as lowercase, we will use lower method. That's all for today. We shall be explaining more methods related to string in further videos. Please like the video. Please do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends as much as you can. Thank you.